Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this absolutely gorgeous Kawasaki VN900 Vulcan Custom. They do a couple of variants of these. The most popular ones are the Custom and the Classic, but this one, being the Custom, I think is a cooler of the two. It just looks awesome. This one's a 2014. It's done just 5,311 miles. It's got the Vance Hines, so it sounds awesome. It's got a really cool air intake there as well. It's got the backrest on there, but these are just a super comfortable, really cool looking, really cool sounding cruiser from Kawasaki. So of course, fairly basic in terms of electronic aids and stuff like that. You know, they are literally just a throttle and a brake, but they're a hell of a lot of bike for the money. But everyone that we get of these, especially when they're modified like this one, they always sell pretty quick. So if you fancy it, give us a call. I'll get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.